Hey there! If you've noticed water collecting around the base of your toilet, don't panic. It might seem like a big problem, but most of the time it's a simple fix you can do at home. You're watching The Trade Table. We help everyday homeowners handle common repairs and keep their homes running smoothly. In this video, we'll walk you through how to stop that leak using basic tools and a few easy steps. Let's jump in. Tools and materials you'll need: wrench, screwdriver, hacksaw if bolts are rusted, plunger or bucket of water, putty knife, new wax ring, replacement bolts, washers and gaskets, rubber gloves, microfiber towels, and disinfectant cleaner. Pro tip: toilets are heavy and bulky. Get a helper to assist with lifting. Sometimes a loose connection between the tank and base causes leaks. Locate the bolts at the base of the toilet. Use a screwdriver and wrench to tighten them evenly. Wipe the area dry and wait 15 minutes. Still leaking? Time to replace the wax ring. Shut off the water supply valve behind the toilet. Flush and hold the handle to empty the tank. Use a plunger or pour a bucket of water into the bowl to force out any remaining water. Disconnect the water supply line from the tank. Pro tip: stuff a rag into the sewer drain to block odors while you work. Loosen the toilet bolts with a wrench. If bolts are rusted, cut them with a hacksaw. Gently rock the toilet side to side to break the old seal. Lift the toilet and set it on its side. Get help if needed. Scrape off the old wax ring using a putty knife and remove all residue. Position the new wax ring over the flange. Remove the rag from the drain before setting the toilet back in place. Align the toilet base with the bolts and lower it gently. Press down firmly to create a watertight seal. Tighten bolts evenly. Do not over-tighten, or you may crack the porcelain. Replace bolt caps for a finished look. Reconnect the water supply line. Turn the water back on and let the tank fill. Flush the toilet and check for leaks around the base. If dry, well done. Your toilet is fixed. Step 6. Clean up and disinfect. Wipe down the entire area with disinfectant cleaner. Mop the floor to remove any leftover water. Double check for leaks over the next 24 hours. Pro tip: if leaks persist, your toilet flange may be damaged. Consider replacing it. Nice work getting that leak fixed. A little time and the right steps can save you a lot of money on plumbing bills. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more down-to-earth home repair tips. For everything from wax rings and tools to full toilet replacements, check out thetradetable.com. We've got the gear and the guidance to keep your home in great shape. Thanks for watching and see you next time.